they can not only access education, but they can be retained within the education system. They can complete the education cycles ahead of them, and most importantly, register positive learning outcomes at the end of their journey with us. So it is a great pleasure, definitely, to officiate that kind of intervention. I'm sure you are all aware that our ministry's mandate is to provide to all our clients, the learners, in the width and the breadth of this country, access to affordable, inclusive, high quality, relevant 21st century education products to all our learners. But we are aware of the divide between especially the urban and the rural learners, and therefore equity becomes critical. That is why we celebrate the event of today. Our two key result areas as the ministry are access to education and quality education provision. So for us to get the second, which is quality education provision, the first has to be guaranteed. Children have to get to school. That is why there is emphasis in our world